Role prompting. Tell the model who to be before you ask, and it will shape its entire answer, from tone to how it explains things, to fit that role. Let's see how. Imagine a first-time plant owner asks, "How do I keep my houseplant alive?" With no role, the model returns one dense paragraph of jargon. Monitor substrate moisture and photoperiod. Technically correct, but aimed at nobody. The nervous beginner is left more confused. This is the flat, average voice that fits no one. Watch as we add one role card at the front. You are a patient gardener explaining to a first-time plant owner. The question stays exactly the same. But now the answer comes back warm and simple. Water it when the top feels dry, and keep it near a bright window. Only the framing changed. The role and question enter together as one prompt into the context window, then flow through the model, then out comes the answer. The role sits first, so it colors everything that follows. No weights change, no new facts arrive. It simply selects the tone, depth, and words the model already knew. The question is identical. How do I keep my houseplant alive? With no role, the answer drowns a beginner in jargon. But add the patient gardener role, and those same facts become 3 gentle, easy steps. The knowledge itself is unchanged. Only the vocabulary, the depth, and the warmth quietly shifted. This is where role prompting shines. When who's reading, and in what voice, changes the right shape of the answer. The gardener role calms a nervous beginner perfectly. A role like world expert botanist only shapes style, not truth. It adds no real knowledge, and can make a wrong fact sound polished, tidy, and completely convincing to you. To recap, put the role instruction at the front of your prompt. Match it to the reader you want to reach. Remember, a role steers style, not facts, and vanishes after the call. The chain, role, then question, then fitted answer.